Hello traders, welcome to this daily market update, and today is 22nd of August 2019. So today I'll be talking about the price action structure in the 2-day time frame first, because the higher the time frame, the clearer the picture that you have. So as you can see, I've drawn a trend line starting right from the 1st of April. Price found support, and well, apparently this again is at the support, and this candle will be closing I think tomorrow. It will be closing tomorrow. So as far as this structure stays intact, our uptrend stays intact. Otherwise things might start looking ugly, and if we lose this moving average on the 2-day time frame, the next target that we'll be looking at is this 100 moving average on the 2-day, which is situated at 7,200. Now I don't really lean to that areas of interest, but however, if this symmetric progression can break to the downside, this is what we'll be looking at, unfortunately. Anyway, heading on to the daily, we attempted kind of like a golden cross on these on the 21 and 55 EMA, but we have clearly failed and currently finding support on the 100 MA. I spoke about this yesterday on my video. If we break this area of interest, we will come back to test this area, and now we are testing it again, and we do have a lot of room to go to the downside. On the momentum oscillators, we have the RSI rejecting the moving average, and stochastic again crossing to the downside. The movement is clearly shifted to the downside. Heading on to the 12-hour. Again, right at the support, right. So Bitcoin is actually at a very critical area of interest, and I hope it stands. I just hope it supports the price action and the price action bounces, but as of now things do look bleak. Things don't look okay to me, but since this is a strong structural support, technically we can expect a bounce out of this area, and I think Bitcoin should try to test the upwards resistance and make its way. However, coming on to the even smaller time frames, I think the target from this bearish pattern has been finally completed. So usually you can take your Fibonacci retracement tools and start measuring your targets. So we've done a deep retrace kind of thing in this entire structure, which is testing the 0.786 Fibonacci number. And I mean, this is yet another one of the last resort. This area is one of the last resorts for the bulls. I mean, that is how they'll be looking at. The bears might be having a party for the time being. Let's go on to the 2-hour time frame. Below every single moving average, nothing as a bottom support, so can't be judged off of the small time frames, this kind of price action. So we'll stick around to daily, 12-hour and 2-day time frame, where we are at extreme support, which should technically hold up and should support the price. I mean, testing this moving average was somewhat the beginning of this entire uptrend. Like you can see, the price action broke past the 100 and came down to back tested it again, and then never came back, and ever since the price has been floating up. So ever since 24th Feb, this is the day that we are actually testing this support with full energy, full momentum. Sorry about that. Full momentum. Currently at 9,900. The only wishful thing that I can hope for Bitcoin is to close above the 100 daily moving average. Otherwise things might get bearish in the short term. Anyway, that's been it for the update. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.